So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. I really like her hair color. She has like a nice soft copper tone. Oh, she got like a shaggy bob. Very nice. And this of course is a very popular hair trend. And the color really just takes things up a notch and elevates the look even further. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we have a major hair color change. So satisfying watching him playing around with the color. Wow, beautiful blonde. Hair is perfectly dyed and ready for the summer season. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with hair around mid-length. The stylist chops their hair off. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Mixes in some beautiful face framing bangs. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Very nice. She has so much body and movement within this bob haircut, and I think that the bottleneck style bangs just accents the look perfectly. Next up, we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. So we've featured this stylist on this channel several different times. He does amazing transformations. Most of the time, he does do a lot of pixies, and it looks like that's what she's requesting. Oh, wow, beautiful curly texture underneath. So she ended up getting the curly pixie trend. This is a very popular hairstyle if you have curly hair. And then he straightened out the bangs. Beautifully done. So that's a nice option for her to play around with when she's at home. She can wear the bangs curly or straight. Lots of versatility. So then we move on to the next client who has mid-length hair. It looks like she wants to go short with a pixie style as well. Oh, very nice. She did end up getting like side swoop bangs to frame out the face. Perfect short and sweet style. Very nice. So here we have someone with shoulder length red hair. We did feature this transformation in another video, but here is a longer extended look of him turning this into an asymmetrical pixie. Wow. By far one of the prettiest hairstyles I have seen this year. I'm just loving the overall shape of this pixie style, and the color just complements it so beautifully. And then we see someone with long hair. She does have bangs in the front. And she decided to go shorter with this modern mullet variation. Very nicely done. Alright, you guys, I hope you're able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.